Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs Cottage comes with over 2,000 pieces and will set you back $220. This set was originally released in March 2024. The set is based on the 1930s VHS film Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Lego has given us 10 minifigures in this set. 3 of the figs we have seen already. The new ones would be all the 7 dwarfs: Happy, Grumpy, Doc, Dopey, Bashful, Sneezy, and Sleepy. Each dwarf comes with a tool such as a pickaxe or a hammer to use. The ones we have seen already in other sets are Snow White, Prince Charming, and the Evil Queen. All 10 minifigures have double-sided faces that can help in storytelling. This set is split up into 3 different builds: the Wishing Well, the Cottage, and the Sleeping Chamber. First scene, the Wishing Well is covered in vines and purple flowers and also has 2 little white birds on the well to bring the scenes to life. You can remove the roof to the well to get a better look at the water at the bottom. Second scene, the Cottage, has left everyone, including myself, on edge. The exterior is covered in tons of foliage from 5 different trees to the plants coming out of the ground. One thing Lego did not pass up on was the opportunity was to fill the scene with tons of animals: birds, rabbits, and squirrels. One thing you notice about the college is the 1x1 printed owl tiles all over the points of the house. There is also more printed tiles from the side of the window panels to the flat rounded pieces that make it look like the end of a log. On the right side of the cottage, you would notice a big tall chimney that has a button on the bottom that we will get to later on. Swing back to the middle, the highlight point would be the super detailed entryway covered in leaves, and I can't forget the 3 windows too. Rotating to the left side is where Doc inspects all the gold, rubies, and gems from the mine. Before we talk about the open back, we must talk about the amazing looking roof that a lot of people have mixed feelings about due to the repetitive nature and the amount of details not to mess up, but at least Lego helped by saying it would be wise to separate pieces ahead of time. Hey folks, if you're enjoying this review so far, please consider liking and subscribing for more reviews like this one. Now that the cottage interior is split into 4 different rooms: the dining room, living room, and bedroom, and the attic. The dining room consists of a fireplace that has a light brick button on the back of the chimney you can hit to light it. A massive table that can fit all 7 dwarves. Next to the dining room is what I call the living room, which has a massive piano, and if you split the cottage open, you can find a kitchen in the back side of the living room. Now to see the dwarf's bedroom, the best way is to remove the roof to see where all the 7 beds are. That includes stickers with their name on it, but very hard to see in this sort of arrangement. With this roof off, you can see part of the attic on this side and the other from the back side. The final scene is where Snow White is put to rest in a clear coffin covered in flowers and leaves. Also has some trees in the background to make it more lively. There is a printed Snow White name piece, but you can only find it by removing the foliage to see it. To add Snow White to the coffin, you remove the coffin lid and place it perfectly on the lump to fit the dress, then put the top back on. My final remarks on this set is it's absolutely amazing, fun, enjoyable build besides the roof. It is an amazing display piece that you can arrange in multiple different ways and is recommended to any Lego Disney fan. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Now it's time we get to go light the cottage. Remember to keep building your life just one brick at a time.